Okay, well, I don't know if my recording volume is right. I've just got this new microphone, so hopefully it sounds an awful lot better than what I had before. Don't know, we'll see how it goes. I did a bit of initial testing and it sounded a bit hissy, like it's got a bit of noise, so it is a cheap microphone, but it's got to be better than what I had. Just thought I'd give you an update on what I've done with the key cutter. If you can see it here, we've got the electric motor and the cutter all already mounted, a few zip ties, and what I was printing last time was this bit, which is the bit to hold the keys, and that's going to fit on here and should allow me to traverse the keys that way. I have to now make a little piece here with a I'm not sure what you call that, scribe or something that goes along the the teeth of the key. So as we slide it along, we cut and mimic the same shape of the key. I've also got these little knobby things that I'm going to put in the top here. That'll allow me to clamp the screw down. So what I've got to work on now is making this bit here. So I'm going to probably try and link the STL CAD files for this when I'm happy with it in the bottom if anybody wants to copy it. That said, it is incredibly basic. You might want to do your own variations of it. Something that I don't like at the moment is I've got the zip ties underneath. I don't want to print this with feet on it because then I've got to do supports and all sorts of other stuff. So I'll probably just glue some rubber feet on the bottom of this. And the other thing is, because I made that base in a rush, I didn't make it with a mounting bracket for that little scribey thing to go on the master key. So I'm going to have to probably hot glue something onto there. But that's been really quick. I think it was a 2-hour print for the base and a 1-hour print for this bit. I'm using linear bearings, the same ones used on the 3D printer, on a 6mm shaft that fits nice on there. I'll print some little clamps for that and see how it goes. Probably the next thing I'll show you doing is how I'm going to mill the crucifix blank on the mill for the key out of this piece of square brass. That's going to be the next fun project to do, and I'll video all of that so you can see all my mistakes in their gory detail and keep going with that. So thanks for watching. Bye.